So last night we've had the dreaded email from the golf club. They're introducing winter rules. What that means, no more trolleys, no more carts. What that means for me, no more cart bag. So I need to transfer all my irons and clubs into my carry bag for the winter. So I thought, as I'm doing it anyway, why not show you how to organise my clubs from my cart bag into my carry bag. It's a 14 slot cart bag. It's an 8 slot carry bag. Do I lose clubs? Do I have to double up? What's my strategy and how do I do it? And it'd be really good to hear from you. How does it compare? And have you got any tips for me to tell me how could I organise my carry bag a little bit better? Let's get into it and I'll show you exactly what I do. So overall strategies, I tend to have shorter clubs starting at the bottom, move into gradually longer clubs with my woods at the top. Because I'm going to have less space, I'll tend to double up some of my wedges. So the wedges are all in the bottom there. Next, I have my pitching wedge and my 9-iron. And I'll actually double them up and I'll put them in here together. Next, over the other side, so that I know where they are, I'm going to double up on my 8 and my 7. So again, I'll know exactly where they are. And then in the middle, got a little spot here, and that's where I'll put my 5 and my 6.
If you're finding this video helpful, make sure to tap that like button as it really helps the channel.
So I've got 1, 2, 3 slots left. I've actually got a 4 hybrid. I'm going to put my 4 hybrid in the side there. I've got my tailor-made 3-wood, which I can't hit. I'm going to put that in the big pouch at the back, along with my driver. Cobra LTDX. So that means that I've got a little slot left here. So slightly unusual for some, but I put my putter just on the side there. I find it's compact, out of the way, it's not too hard to get. So that's how I set up my golf bag. As you can see there, remove the wood so you can see putter and my irons. So there you have it, that's how I pack my golf bag. I'm sure you're different. Let me know in the comments below, what have I done wrong? What should I do differently? And if you're still looking for ways to improve your golf, here's 10 tips of what you should always keep in your golf bag. And I'll catch you in the next one.